In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets to your desktop. Now, technically, what we're doing here is creating a shortcut that lets you open a specific Google Sheet right from your desktop, just like a regular app or file. It doesn't turn it into an offline file by itself, but it does give you super quick access with a single double click, which is great if you use a particular sheet all the time. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works best in Chrome since that's the browser Google designs most of its tools around. In the address bar, type in the link to the specific Google Sheet you want easy access to, or open it from your Google Drive like you normally would. Make sure you're on the exact sheet you want the shortcut for, not just your Drive home page. Once your Google Sheet is open and fully loaded, move your attention to the very top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots lined up next to your profile icon and any extensions you might have installed. Click on those 3 dots to open the main Chrome menu. A long drop-down menu will appear. Depending on your version of Chrome, you'll want to hover your mouse over the option that says Cast, Save, and Share, or on some versions, it might be under More Tools. Just pause your mouse over that option for a moment so the submenu opens up. In that submenu, look for the option called Create Shortcut, and then click on it. Once you click Create Shortcut, a small window will pop up. This is where you can give your shortcut a name. By default, Chrome might use the name of the Google Sheet itself, but you can type in whatever will make sense to you later. For example, you might want something like Monthly Budget Sheet or Team Tracker, so you can recognize it instantly on your desktop. After you've chosen a clear, helpful name, simply click the Create button. Chrome will now add that shortcut directly to your desktop. You should see a new icon appear there with the name you just chose. From now on, anytime you double-click that desktop icon, Chrome will open and take you straight into that exact Google Sheet without you needing to dig through bookmarks or Google Drive folders. It's a small step, but it can save you a lot of time if you work with the same sheets every day.